Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can change the color of the brush tool in Photopea, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, I'm in a picture and I have the brush tool selected, and I have selected a shape just by going here and selecting the shape that I want. I chose the square. You can also do this by right-clicking and choosing it, but it doesn't really matter. As you can see, if I right or just draw, it is in a black sort of color, and I can very easily change this. If I right click, it just brings up that menu. However, I can very easily change the color of the brush that I'm using, and I can do that by going into here, as you can see in the bottom left or at the way bottom of the toolbar, clicking on the first solid color and then selecting whatever color you would like. Let's say, for example, purple. Just select that and click OK. And now if I draw, as you can see, it is using a very bright sort of purple pink or magenta, and yeah, that is pretty much all you need to do to change your brush color. You can also do a couple of other things, such as using the dropper tool, where you can select the color that you want, and as you can see, now that I clicked there, I can click on the background and go into the brush tool and then just draw over the text and sort of like delete it. Or I can drop this here color, which is a brighter green, go to the brush, and as you can see, now I am using that green instead. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.